Hi friends, myself, Preeti Mani, and you are on Arteish Preeti. Please, like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, we will going learn how to create Instagram Reel using VN Editor. Download and open VN Video Editor. Click on New Project, and select 11 picture which you want to use in video. Now arrange the pictures as per video and delete the last clip, as it shows watermark of the VN Editor. Which is without sound. Now, upload this video on Instagram Reel. You will get this sound in the description box, and add this video, you will get perfect result.
Lights, camera, action.
Thank you for watching. If you like my video, subscribe, like, comment, and share with your family and friends.